День-два. Сама идет.
Дышим, да? Ее как так, да?
Окей.
Давай еще перевернем. Аж просвечивается икра.
Напись в комментариях, я делал видео.
Только там лишь выключи.
Окей, что, проверяем, это должна быть самка.
Да, уже посыпалось. Вот, отлично.
Наш выпадает.
Не, вот эту же. Та же перловка.
Сейчас сделаем дырочки. Точно. Хелпы мне помогают со всех сторон. Опа. Окей. Так, все, здесь все. Давай перевернем. Вот так. А тут начинаем сзаду. Сейчас мы вытащим. Так. Отрезаем. Остатки еще. Сейчас. Вот такая получается у нас икра. И у нас вышла половина бакета вышла. Два, короче, галлона. Че? Понеслось. Еще кучу надо еще сделать. Там еще 11 фишей сделать надо. Фиш. Будет длинный день. Okay, so let's cut the holes for the fingers. Right here, right here. So this is the biggest one. We will not use the tail. Cut to about here. And then we need to cut the fat. It's more white, and meat is on this side here. Okay. And then spine is gonna be all along here. So, and here's the fin that we need to cut it off. Just slice it. And let's hope you slice it the right way. Yeah, it's about the right way. Okay. So one person is pulling it and the other one is cutting it. Just like that. And here is our spine and some leftovers. Не надо трогать, не надо трогать. Да, да, хорошо.
Что ты едешь?
Отходи оттуда. Отходи, я сделаю видео. And let's flip it. So you saw me from this side, now you will see me from this side. So let's cut some holes in the belly to hold it. Right about here. Pull. Here we go. And then, so this is rest is gonna be trash because there is like so thin of layer of meat and mostly it's fat. So after that we'll just find the center, cut the spine, and throw it away. Probably it's not gonna be good for kids. So bloody. So this is our two big pieces of meat. We just cut the fish. Now we need to fillet and just clean it, and usually just 3 pieces. And then let's take off the skin, just fillet just like that. Really big piece.
чистим.
So here we go. So this is all fat. It's like a brown, whitish, something like that. Да. Just cut the fat out. So this is gonna be meat, and you can see there is a fat. So here is a fat, and here is need to be like V kind of shape cut. Dzięki, masz płytę, no? Płytę, да? So this is the fish from the inside. We cut the fat out, and then this is fish from inside. Come on. Just like this. So this is how it's done. And this is how much is leftovers from those two pieces. So this is the fat that you don't want to bake, cooked or anything. Yeah. Here you go, guys. Here you go. Have fun.